Let's start with our first option, direct checkout. In general settings, you will see the option for enable direct checkout, which is now enabled. You can disable it or enable anytime. You can edit the button text from here and can choose button position on archive pages where you want to display the button. So let's choose before add to cart button, and you can also choose the button position on single page where you want to display the button. So let's choose before add to cart button. Now we'll click save changes. Now let's visit our shop page and see our direct checkout button is displaying before add to cart button, and on a single page our direct checkout button is also displaying before add to cart button. So let's go back to our plugin dashboard. There is more option, and this option is for display setting. You can choose where you want to display your direct checkout button or not. You can select or unselect them. Now let's unselect main shop page, and you will see the all direct checkout button will be removed from our shop page. Let's click save changes and let's visit our site and see all our direct checkout button has gone. You can again enable them from here. Just select the main shop page and click save changes. Now let's visit our shop page again and reload the page. See, our direct checkout button is again on the site. That's how you can choose where you want to display your direct checkout button or not from here. Our next option is quick checkout behavior, and you can choose the checkout method from here. You can redirect to checkout or HX add to cart, redirect to cart page, and last two option you will get in our pro version. So let's choose redirect to cart. And this option is for clear cart before adding. It means if you enable this option, your cart will be clear before adding. And this option is for show confirmation dialog. If you enable this, you will see a message when you will click the direct checkout. So let's click save changes. Let's visit our shop page and reload the page. Now let's click buy now, and here is the confirmation message. If you click OK, then it will redirect to cart page. And that's how it works. Let's go back to our plugin dashboard. And this option is for button style. You can add style to your button and also add custom style to your button. In advanced, you'll see option for show variation selection in archive pages. You can enable or disable it and can select the variation layout from here, separate or combine, and can choose if you want to display the variation title or not from here, or if you want to hide the select option, you need to upgrade pro. And from here you can enable or disable the guest checkout option.